Hello and welcome everybody. So if this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and as usual, if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. So without further ado, let's get into what today's video is all about. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a few features in Google Docs, as well as what Google Docs is, and then a nice encrypted site to keep documents private and to transfer documents from one place to another. If you just go to docs.google.com, you'll see it brings you to this site. You will have to log into your Google account, or well, a Gmail account. Then all you need to do is, as you can see here, there is a whole bunch of templates that you can use, just like Microsoft Word or any other editor really. So for today I'm just going to create a blank document. Then as you can see, it's got that basic layout. You can share this and then share it with others, and then work on a document with others. You can add some comments over here. You can see there's an add comment function. You can insert pictures, links. You can change the text up, making it bold, italic, underlined, changing the color, changing the size, changing the font style. You can also change the text to make it bigger or smaller, make it like a heading or that. You can use your format painter, spell check, and you can even print and then control redo and undo, like Control C and Control Y. So one of the awesome functions on here is this explore function. So if we click on explore, we can see that we can basically just Google anything. So let's just go to Wikipedia. So we can just type in wiki, and then if you were to just search in a new tab for Wikipedia, you would see that it would bring up pretty much the same results over here as it does over here, but you can also you can change the format of the citation, as well as if you are here and you want to view the site, you can just click on the site and it will go to that direct site. So you could be doing research. Then if you had something typed in here, you could just click on those little things and you see it says cite as footnote. So then we see over there it cites it and it puts it over there. So that's pretty cool. You can also just view stuff from your drive. You can also view images, but you can basically just search the web for anything you want. Google Docs does provide its own special functionality, so we can get add-ons if you want to get some add-ons for it. I haven't really gone into this much, so I can't tell you. You can also see here there are different tools like the script editor. We'll be getting into one soon. We can also see here that we can add pretty much anything like columns, lines, spacing, page numbers, all of that stuff from here. Format, we can also insert like a table or anything that we want to, including page breaks and that. So it does have the pretty normal functions. My favorite function, which is the voice typing. So if I click on this and I click allow, if I've clicked on this and clicked allow, it will be able to type what I am saying. So there we can see it typed out what I said. So this is a really awesome function. If you're pretty lazy at typing and you can just speak a lot, you could fill up a document pretty easily. So let's say we had a typed out document here. So let's actually just put some text inside here so that we can copy it for the next example. So of course you can save this, and then it will save to your Google Drive. You can also download it into any format you would like to download it. It will save onto your drive usually, though you can just put in a head in there and it will save. But let's say you never wanted to save it and you wanted to save it to somewhere else. Here's a site called Protected Text. So this is protectedtext.com, and this is where people keep their text safe. So as we can read here, it is safe. You can enter the URL and it's yours. Encrypted notes to access anywhere. Fast, simple, free, no ads, secure, don't trust the code. You can check the code out yourself. You can donate to them. You can see here why it is actually safe. So over here you can see that they encrypt your data, so everything on protected text is encrypted. So even your password, when you enter your password, it doesn't save to text, so it doesn't go to their servers, so they will not be able to see what's inside your text or be able to unlock your text. So if you do lose this password to the text, you can pretty much say goodbye to the text. So that's why I keep your password safe, and then make sure your passwords are secure as well. So this, they do have no login and they do have no ads. They do want you to check the code out yourself if you want to. If someone wants your text, they'll have to have your password first and be able to find your site, because remember, you can put in whatever site you want to. We'll make that in a second. Now you do have overwrite protection, and what this overwrite protection basically means is that you can open it on multiple devices. So like me, for instance, I can have it open on my computer. I can type something, I can click save, then I can go onto my phone and I can see the updated text almost immediately. So that is pretty awesome. So I have some frequently asked questions, so we can see that it does use encryption. But anyways, you can just go to protectedtext.com. So as we can see, we can just type in here YouTube video, and then if we click go, we will be able to see that it says create a new site. So then we can click on create site, and then you can see we can paste that text here, and then when we click save, it will ask us for a password. So I'm just going to put a password in there. Oh boy, my passwords do not match. So let me just put a random password in. I can save it, and then if we go back to the site, as you can see, this URL is already occupied. So if you do get this message, it just means that the site already has someone that owns it. So this, you can add more tabs and you can just keep as much text as you want in it, create as many as you want. If you're done with it, you can just delete it. You can also change the password. So I hope that these two text editors help you out, and if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.